Assalamualaikum. Today we can present about problem-based test. Okay, my team members is Shabil, then Haikal Rusdi, and my name is Muhammad Aswar Fakri. Okay, for introductions, security control setting is a sort of security testing that include penetration testing, time team testing, application security testing, vulnerability assessments, and other tools and preparations. We get vulnerability assessment as a security testing approach based on the problem-based works.
Hi guys, my name is Muhammad Shabil. I would like to present about our suitable technique used in network security testing. We have choose vulnerability assessment. Vulnerability assessment is used to identify risks and vulnerabilities in computer network, computer system, computer hardware, computer software, and other parts of the IT ecosystem. The purpose of vulnerability testing is reducing the possibility for intruders or hacker to get unauthorized access of system. Tools of vulnerability assessment. We have three tools, which is web application scanners. Web application scanners is used to identify and simulating known attack patterns, and protocol scanners is used to look for protocols, ports, and network service that are vulnerable. And the lastly is network scanner. Network scanner is used to assist in the visualization of network and the detection of warning signs such as a stray IP address, spoof packet, and suspicious packet generation from a single IP address. Type of vulnerability assessment. We have three, which is network and wireless assessment. Network and wireless assessment is to check unauthorized access to private or public network, as well as network accessible resource is prohibited by policies and procedures. Secondly is host assessment. Host assessment is used for inspection of critical server, which may be vulnerable to attack if not properly tested or generated from a tested machine image. And then lastly is database assessment. Database is database assessment is used to detect fault or vulnerabilities in data system such as Oracle, Microsoft SQL, MySQL, Postgres, and others. Advantage and disadvantage vulnerability. We have two advantages here, which is identify security flaws before they are exploited by criminals. And secondly is for future assessment, a security history was established. So the tester can do the job well without doing pre-recorded problem because they have a problem history before. And the disadvantage of vulnerability is it's possible that a tool will mistakenly identify something suspicious as a vulnerability when it is not, which is not every testing method is perfect. So they may record the wrong problem.
Okay, hi, I'm Haika. I will continue to explain 2.0 vulnerability assessment technique and tools. So, we do this testing in Kali Linux. Step 1, in this terminal, we gonna get in root first and insert the MSF console to craft attacks against remote systems by combining pairs of exploits and payloads. In step 2, we copy the description of the exploit that has to be utilized because it is exploitable with Metasploit and even provides it. Then we go back to our Mesplat framework console and look for the description there. Okay, next in step 3, configure any options that need to be configured. So we will set our remote host to the IP address of our target system. So in the command we set our host 192.168.199.132. Then show payloads to see what different payloads we can pair with this exploit. Step 4. Execute a find TCP shell to set payload and paste the path of the payload that we choose. So we set payload windows slash shell slash bind underscore TCP. Step 5. Now we perform a similar attack on a Linux system. So we search for the description of the exploit that we want to use Java RMI server. So in this command, we search Java RMI server and then copy the path of the exploit. In step 6, set our remote host to the target IP address. So this is how to set our host in Java RMI server. We set the IP address 192.168.199.130. Next, we select a meter shell and then we use the set payload followed by the path of that payload. And we set payload we get from show payloads command. And lastly, exploit to execute. Exploit complete, but no session was created.
Okay, for conclusion, to summarize, tester can use a variety of security control strategies. Each strategy has its own set of benefits and drawbacks. We believe that the tests we run to uncover this flaw which help to initiate a system that protect data and system from attack looking to steal valuable information or from a company. We may also put that with we just learning into practice. It has the ability to expand our horizon and knowledge. That's all from me.
Okay, that's all from us. Thank you for your concentration. Have a nice day.